Hi everybody, Dave for Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, we just finished rebuilding this. This is a JHJ 10 cubic foot stainless steel rim blender. It's actually stainless steel line, has a stainless steel agitator, of course painted steel on the outside. We've added a new finish onto it with a polymer based enamel. We've also added variable speed, new drive, gearbox, all new chain guards. This is the Tico FM50 gear 4X washdown duty variable speed controller. So if you need to control your blending at all, you see we're running at 60 hertz right now. We can start going down, and like most of these controls, it'll start accelerating after a second or two, and then really start moving down. So if you wanted to really run for whatever reason at a very slow speed blending, you can still do that. And then of course back up to your 60 hertz. In this case, it's just over 50 RPM. It's a 2 horsepower main drive. As you can see, it's all stainless steel. We'll give you a quick look around here, Jim. We've added some covers over each one of the bearings and seal glands on each end. There's a safety device here on the cover, so when the cover is open, it'll stop blending. Each plant is left to its own standards, industry requirements, insurance regulations. So when this is open, and you'll see that the blender shuts off very quickly as the Tico controller has a braking device on it. In order to reset this, now you have to close the cover again, resetting the switch, and you have to come back and manually start the controller. Let me open that up for you. You're not going to be able to see it operate unless we were to hold that down. And we have lots of equipment like this in our stock. Blenders, mixing tanks, kettles, packaging equipment. So we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.